Hey guys, it's Robin, also known as Be More Curly, and I'm back with another video. Today, what I'm going to be doing is 5 hairstyles for medium to long natural hair. I decided that I want to make this a really easy tutorial, so I'm only going to use my spray bottle of water, my coconut curl cream by Cantu, and my edge control glaze by Eden Body Works. Okay guys, I'm all done, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very helpful for you. If you haven't already, go ahead, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click that subscribe button and also click the bell next to it so that you can stay up to date whenever I post a new video. I'm going to be posting 2 videos a week for you guys, so make sure you hit that button. And thanks for watching.